kailanman sa aking palad ang iyong pangalan. Malilimutan ba ng ina ang anak na galing sa kanya? Sanggol sa kanyang sinapupunan, paano niyang matatalikdan? Ngunit kahit na malimutan ng ina ang anak niyang tangan, hindi kita malilimutan, kailan may di mapapabayaan. Hindi kita malilimutan, kailan may di mapapabayaan.
Ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal, upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo, kabiyak nitong puso ko. Wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y may papalit, ngayon kailan may ikaw. Ang lahat ng aking
sing me a song again, Daddy. Sing me a happy verse. Teach me those clever rhymes you sang as you carried me on your shoulders. Sing me that hymn that you so loudly sang in church with Mom. Sing it again to me and fill me with all your words of wisdom. words of love when I would get home from school in tears. Somehow your songs have stayed within me down through all the years. Once when my younger heart was broken, your shoulder was there to cry on. Sing me those songs I know will linger long after you have gone. I am standing at the threshold of a chapter in my life. I am asking for your blessing as I'm about to be the wife of a man I know who loves me, and I'm proud to be his bride. Now the time has come for me